Hey embroiderers! Today we're talking about combining vinyl and embroidery. Whether you've been doing this a long time or you're just looking to start, this is a really cool project that can expand the offerings that you currently are doing. This is going to help you add depth, creativity, and texture to your designs. All right, let's start with the foundation, your design. It works best for outline designs that have open space for the vinyl to sit in, but some might be creative enough to find that you just put vinyl in an eyeball of a face and just one very small part of a design. Let's talk about vinyl. They're not all created equal. Most heat transfer vinyls are gonna work just fine. There is vinyl created for embroidery that's a tearaway. I find that most heat transfer vinyl is thin enough that once the stitching has happened, it tears away all on its own. So you don't have to go buy specific vinyl for embroidery. But the cheaper vinyl is maybe a little fussy and I wouldn't rely on it. A couple of samples that I didn't care for the outcome of it. Always do a test before you commit to a long run. You wanna do a test of the exact same vinyl on a very similar material that you're going to be working with so that you can see how the heat affects it, how the vinyl sticks to the fabric, and then you can adjust your variables accordingly. So now the fun begins. It's time to embroider. Load your fabric onto your hoop like normal with your backing according to the type of fabric you have, the thicker material, maybe the lighter backing that you can do. We're just gonna put it in the machine just like any other embroidery project. So once you have your design squared away that you know exactly where it's gonna go, your digitized image should start with a running stitch that's going to set where the pattern is going to be. You do that first, hit stop. It will stop for you if the digitizer puts in a stop. The next thing we need to do is cut out the vinyl. We just need a general size that's gonna cover the entire design. This is a good way to use scraps from other projects. You don't need a vinyl plotter because the embroidery is going to do all of the plotting for you. Make sure the adhesive side is fabric down. Hold the vinyl on top until some stitches have been established to hold it into place. So once the design has been stitched, you can then very easily, but carefully, pull the vinyl away. The stitches are going to have cut the vinyl, and so it will be left only with what is in your image. Then you follow the manufacturer's instructions for the particular type of vinyl you have and your fabric to heat press it, to adhere it properly so it doesn't have any chance of peeling up. Okay, so there you have it. A creative way to stand out from the crowd. Remember, the magic is in the details. Getting that design digitized properly, choosing good vinyl for your garment, and taking the time to test and prep. Once you get the hang of it, the possibilities are endless. If this inspired you to try something new, let me know in the comments. We'd love to hear what you're working on. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe. Share this video with somebody that you think it could help. Keep on hustling, embroiderers. Take care.